Wall switches with dimmers provide adjustable lighting, save energy, extend bulb life, enhance ambience, improve comfort, and offer convenient control. My today's video is about top 5 best wall switches with dimmer that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at Casa Smart Dimmer Switch HS220. The Casa Smart Switch delivers a modern lighting solution that blends convenience, safety, and automation. Installation is simplified through the intuitive Casa Smart or Tapo app, which provides clear step-by-step guidance. While it requires neutral wiring and a 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi connection, the process is manageable, and consulting an electrician ensures a safe setup for beginners. Once installed, the switch offers powerful remote control through your smartphone, letting you turn lights on or off from virtually anywhere. Seamless integration with Amazon Alexa and Google Assistant adds hands-free voice control, perfect when your hands are full or when entering a dark room. A standout feature is the gentle fade-off mode, which slowly dims lights to create a calm environment, ideal for bedtime routines. Advanced scheduling and countdown timers allow automated lighting based on your daily routine, while away mode randomly toggles lights to enhance home security. Compact in size yet rich in features, this smart switch offers reliable, intelligent lighting control for modern homes. Now our second product is Lutron Diva LED Plus Dimmer Light. The Lutron Diva Dimmer Switch is a reliable and user-friendly lighting upgrade designed to bring flexible ambience to any home. One of its biggest advantages is the quick installation, often taking as little as 15 minutes, and it works in homes of all ages because it does not require a neutral wire, making it ideal for older electrical systems. Engineered by Lutron, this dimmer has been tested with thousands of bulbs across many brands to ensure smooth, flicker-free dimming. It supports up to 150W of dimmable LED or CFL bulbs and 600W of incandescent or halogen bulbs, giving it broad compatibility for modern and traditional lighting setups. The intuitive design features a rocker switch that turns lights on or off at your preferred brightness level, while the discrete side slider allows precise dimming or brightening. It can be used in single-pole or three-way configurations, making it versatile for different room layouts. Overall, this dimmer switch is perfect for creating the right atmosphere, whether bright lighting for family activities or soft lighting for a relaxing evening. Our third product is Elegroup Digital Dimmer Light Switch. The Elegroup Digital Dimmer Switch is a modern lighting control solution designed for smooth performance, durability, and wide compatibility. Powered by advanced MCU-integrated digital dimming technology, it delivers gradual, flicker-free brightness adjustment for LED lighting. The fade-on feature is especially helpful, allowing your eyes to naturally adjust to light while reducing inrush current, which helps extend the lifespan of both the dimmer and connected bulbs. Compatibility is another strong point. This dimmer supports up to 300W for dimmable LED/CFL bulbs and 600W for incandescent or halogen bulbs, making it suitable for most household lighting setups. Installation is straightforward and convenient because no neutral wire is required, allowing it to work in older homes as well. Its ultra-slim design easily fits into standard electrical boxes. The switch also supports single-pole or three-way configurations, giving flexible control from one or two locations. A thoughtful locator light helps you find the switch in the dark. Built with durable thermoplastic housing and backed by a 2-year warranty, it offers reliability and long-term performance. Now number 4, Best 10 2-pack Dimmer Light Switch. The Best 10 Dimmer Switch offers reliable, precise lighting control while eliminating common flicker issues. It's adjustable. Sidewheel allows users to fine-tune the dimming range, ensuring smooth, flicker-free illumination across almost all dimmable LED, CFL, incandescent, and halogen bulbs. With support for up to 150W of LED/CFL and 600W of incandescent bulbs, it provides versatile compatibility for modern and traditional lighting setups, with a minimum load of just 3W for LEDs. Designed for convenience, this dimmer works in single-pole or three-way configurations without requiring a neutral wire. Its on-off rocker switch features a memory function, remembering the last brightness level for seamless control, while the horizontal slider allows precise dimming across the full range. Constructed from durable polycarbonate with high-quality electronic components, it is heat and fade resistant, ensuring long-lasting performance. UL listed for safety, the Besson dimmer combines elegant design with dependable functionality, making it ideal for living rooms, bedrooms, kitchens, or any space where customizable lighting is desired. And our last choice is Tapo TP-Link Tapo Matter Smart Dimmer Switch. The Tapo Smart Dimmer Switch offers a seamless way to modernize home lighting with convenience, safety, and full smart control. Designed for single-pole applications, installation is simple. Replicate your existing wiring, and the smart switch handles the rest, though neutral wiring and 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi are required. The Tapo app provides step-by-step guidance, and consulting an electrician is advised for beginners. This dimmer provides 0 to 100 brightness control, allowing precise ambience adjustment for any occasion. Its fade-on/off feature ensures smooth light transitions, reducing eye strain. Matter certification enables compatibility across major smart home platforms, including Amazon Alexa, Apple HomeKit, Google Home, and Samsung SmartThings, ensuring unified control across devices. With remote app and voice control, lights can be managed from anywhere, while custom schedules automate daily routines. The away mode enhances home security by simulating occupancy when you're away. Combining intuitive design, robust connectivity, and versatile smart features, the Tapo Smart Dimmer Switch is a reliable, user-friendly upgrade for any modern home lighting system. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.